Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade edge gel. We'll cover the simple ingredients you need, a straightforward preparation method, and helpful tips for storing and using your natural hair product. This guide will help you achieve sleek, well-defined edges using a gentle, cost-effective solution made right in your kitchen. Get ready to create your own effective edge control. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. Flax seeds are key for creating that natural gel consistency, providing excellent hold without stiffness. Aloe vera gel adds moisture and a smooth texture, while a few drops of your favorite essential oil can give your gel a lovely scent. For extended freshness, you might also consider a natural preservative. Making the gel is quite simple. First, boil 1/4 cup of flax seeds in 2 cups of water. Let this mixture simmer gently until it thickens into a gel-like consistency. Once it reaches your desired thickness, strain the gel to separate the liquid from the seeds. After the gel has cooled completely, stir in your aloe vera gel and essential oils. Proper storage is important for your homemade edge gel. Keep it in an airtight container and refrigerate it to maintain freshness for up to 2 weeks. When you're ready to style, apply a small amount to your hairline using a brush or your fingertip. This gel is perfect for smoothing edges, taming flyaways, and creating sleek, polished hairstyles with a natural touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.